Okay, today's job, we're out down in Banjup, south of the river. Is a family adventure Malibu caravan. And the big challenge here is that we can't move the van because the truck's in the way. Got to get the power connected to the batteries down there. So I'll have to see if I can roll through on the creeper and get into it. I think I'll be able to pull it off. The tank is going to go in here, alongside the gas bottles.
Which one?
And the unit itself is going to go under the bed somewhere. Big king size bed here. No air struts on it, so under there somewhere I'll just take another panel off and have a look and see what I can do to make it neat. Alright, you can see the hole in there. That's where I'm going to put the heater. I just had to drill the outlet hole here. Feels like there's something soft just where those holes are. I'm a bit worried there might be cable there, so I might just use the hole saw, see if I can drill straight through before I go any further. Don't really want to drill through any cable that's running between the two. There's two sheets of timber there, thin pieces. I'm not sure if I'm going through or if I'm hitting something, so we'll stop and check. And a quick check, and there is nothing there. That's good. Just felt a little bit soft, but it's all okay. Okay, underneath, it's got a fiberglass floor there. Got two of the screws drill into this beam here. Two of them come through here. I might change them for nuts and bolts. There's the exhaust going out there. Batteries are over there, so I should be able to get to them. And then air intake running through the pump and filter. Going to connect up and do the fuel line now. Okay, so the trick with getting your fuel tank inside is put it on the outside first. Then you know where your holes go. And then just mount it inside. Just make sure you don't set it too high or too low. So that's just about perfect right there. Okay, here we go, running the electrical run through up to the battery. Got it on the positive cable, but the negative one, a bit hard to access. I'm just going to have to get the torch in there and just see what's going on. All right, first start up. It's 12 degrees here in Perth this morning. Pretty cold. Fortunately, I'm undercover because it's pretty wet out there still. About to go in, put the vents in and mount the controller. The battery's all hooked up. And that's finished in there. All done, tied up, working well. And we can hit the road.